Okay, here we are. I'm back. Look, we've got the fan all set up there. And look at this. It is nice. You see, we didn't put a light kit on it because, see, we have all these other lights around the room. Where are they? There's one over here. There's one over here. There it is up there. So we don't need any lights. Anyway, here's the remote controller. But look at this. Can you see that? There's 6 buttons on it. It has 6 speeds. So this could be pretty amazing. Here we go. Here's number 1. We're going to press number 1. Oh, and there it goes. It's starting. Look at how big that thing is. My God, those blades. I can't even fit them in the whole picture. It takes up most of the ceiling of the room. Look from way back here how big it is. It's as big as the whole freaking bed. Anyway, that's number 1. So I know you guys are going to want to see it go faster, right? Here goes number 2. And it's starting to get a little breezy. Ho, ho, ho. It feels really good. And listen, what do you hear? Nothing. It is amazingly quiet. Let's turn it up and see if it makes some noise. Here goes number 3. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See those blades? They're turning faster and faster. Let me listen. Still no noise. Wow, this is crazy. This is awesome. All right, let's go for number 4. There's number 4, and you can see that thing is starting to get fast. Let's see, is anything moving in here? Not yet. I don't see anything moving. We're still pretty safe, but we got 2 speeds to go. All right, ready? Here's number 5. I don't know. Let's do it. Ready? There's number 5. Hoo, 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 hoo. I can start to feel a little breeze. I think the flowers, oh yeah, look. See down here? Look, oh, there it is. Look, the flowers, it's starting to move a little bit. Oh, it's blowing around. See it blowing? All right, here we go. We're going to go all the way up now. We're going to go up to number 6. Are you ready? Whoa. She's moving fast now. Look at those blades. It's spinning, and it's starting to get windy in here. And it's starting to make a little noise. The air is blowing, and it's blowing. Oh, my God. Let's see what happens. It's going, and it's awesome. Let me see. Let me press it again. See what happens. It's flying. It's flying, and it's flying faster. It's amazing. Huh, I think I might have hit the off button. All right, let's try it again. Here comes number 6. It's coming up. I can feel it, and you can see. Look at those blades. They are moving. They are starting to go pretty fast. Wow, I love it. I think it's the best fan we ever put up. What do you guys think? Isn't it amazing? Wow, it's really blowing some air. Oh my God, is it blowing? Ho, ho, oh, look, there's stuff blowing all over the room. Oh my God. Hey!